Right now, GTA 6 is about to take over the internet. And if you ever dreamed of becoming a YouTuber, streamer, or creator, there has never been an easier time than now. Every time a new GTA drops, creators blow up overnight. But this time it's going to be bigger than anything we ever seen before. Rockstar spent $2 billion developing this game. Millions of players will be watching, searching, and sharing GTA content every single day. But the only question is, would they be watching you or someone else? I've been creating GTA content for over 10 years, gained over 1 billion views, and made over $1 million doing it. This game took me from bedroom setup to traveling the world, earning hundreds of thousands of dollars each year while doing it. And now I'm showing you exactly how to do the same thing. In GTA Creator Academy, I teach you how to go from a casual player to a full-time creator. You'll learn how to grow your channel fast, monetize smart, and dominate the GTA 6 wave before anybody else. This is the exact system that top creators use to get millions of followers. So GTA 6 is about to launch, and this is one of your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get big. Because when GTA 6 launches, everyone is going to be watching, and the ones who are ready will rise to the top. Go to GTACreatorAcademy.com right now and join the academy and get ahead of millions of creators before GTA 6 drop. And also hit the subscribe button right here to learn everything about GTA content and strategy directly from someone who already done it.